Welcome, Flutter enthusiasts! Today, we're delving into the powerful and flexible Stack Widget in Flutter. The Stack Widget allows you to overlay multiple widgets on top of each other, giving you precise control over the layout and positioning of your UI elements. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is a Stack Widget in Flutter? A Stack Widget is a container that holds a list of children widgets, stacking them on top of each other in the order they are added. This allows you to create complex layouts by layering widgets on top of one another. Let's start by creating a simple Stack Widget. In your Flutter code, you define a Stack Widget and add children's widgets to it, specifying their positions using the positioned widget. With just a few lines of code, you can stack widgets and control their positions within the stack. To precisely position widgets within a stack, you use the positioned widget. The positioned widget allows you to specify the top, bottom, left, and right offsets of a child widget relative to the edges of the stack. This gives you fine-grained control over the layout of your UI elements. The Stack Widget offers advanced techniques for creating complex UI layouts. You can use Stack to create overlapping images, parallax effects, floating action buttons, and much more. Before we wrap up, let's go over some best practices and tips for using the Stack Widget. Keep your stack layout simple and organized, avoid excessive nesting, and use alignment and padding to control spacing. In conclusion, the Stack Widget is a powerful tool for creating complex and visually appealing layouts in Flutter. By mastering its usage and understanding its capabilities, you can take your Flutter UIs to the next level. Now that you've learned the ins and outs of the Stack Widget in Flutter, go ahead and create stunning UI layouts with ease. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy coding!